Okay, now let's walk through your lab directions. First off, be sure you have your gloves on. Okay, be sure you put your goggles on. Okay, so now you're going to need the indicator strips off of your week 1 card. And we just need one for each thing we're testing. Okay, maybe split these apart before you put your gloves on. They can be a little tricky. And then on the card is the scale, the color scale that we'll be using. So you'll need that. Okay, so then gather up all of your chemicals that you're wanting to use. Remember, you want to test about 10 different things. So we're going to open up a chemical. We're going to pour just a bit in. Remember, there are lots of different chemicals on these pH strips. You don't want to dip them directly into a container. Okay, so then we're going to take the strip and hold on to it. And this is why we wear the gloves, is because the chemical is going to soak into this really quickly and it can come up and touch our fingers. But we really only want to stick about half of this strip in the liquid. Okay, so now I've got this light pinkish red color. If I compare it to my chart, I'd say that this has a pH of 4. That looks like the closest color match to me. Now this is just a subjective comparing the colors, so you don't have to be right on. So I see this as a 4, so I'm going to throw the strip away and not lay it down on the table. And I'm going to write on my data sheet that I was testing white vinegar and that the pH was 4. Okay, and then when you're doing your lab, as part of your submission for your lab assignment, I'd like you to take a picture of your lab setup. So you can include your own face in there if you want to, but I just want to see proof that you did it. And this is especially important if you're looking to earn that medal, because that's a requirement. Okay, then continue on with your lab. Use all 10 of your strips. So find